Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add more columns in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data, building a budget spreadsheet, or managing a project tracker, knowing how to quickly add columns exactly where you need them is an essential skill that will save you time and keep your workflow smooth. First, open your browser and head over to workspace.google.com. Once the page loads, log in to your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the spreadsheets you want to work with, as this will ensure you have access to all your files. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here you'll see all your recent documents, spreadsheets, and other files. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to add more columns. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open the file. The spreadsheet will load in a new window displaying all your current data and columns. Now that your spreadsheet is open, let's start adding columns. The process is straightforward. Right-click on any existing column header. This is the lettered section at the top of each column, like column A, B, or C. When you right-click, a menu will appear with several options. You'll see choices labeled Insert one column left and Insert one column right. Click whichever option suits your needs. If you need a new column before your selected one, choose Insert one column left. If you need it after, choose Insert one column right. The new column will appear instantly and you can immediately start filling it with data. But what if you need to add multiple columns at once? Google Sheets makes this easy too. Start by clicking on any column header to select it, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on another column header. This action will highlight all the columns in between, showing you exactly how many you've selected. For example, if you select 3 columns, all 3 will be highlighted in blue. Now right-click on any of the highlighted columns. The menu that appears will now reflect the number of columns you've selected. Instead of seeing Insert one column, you'll see options like Insert 3 columns left or Insert 3 columns right, depending on how many columns you highlighted. The number changes automatically based on your selection, making it incredibly flexible for whatever you need. Click your preferred option, and Google Sheets will insert that exact number of new columns either to the left or right of your selection. This method is perfect when you're expanding a large data set or restructuring your spreadsheet layout without having to add columns one by one. And that's it. You've now mastered adding both single and multiple columns in Google Sheets, giving you complete control over your spreadsheet structure. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.